Hello traders, welcome once again to Forex Robo Trading. Today in this video we are going to see how to install EA or any robo into your MT4 or MT5 account. So what you need to do, basically you need to first create your MT4 or MT5 account, and then after you have to log in it into your any MT4 or MT5 platform. After that, what is the further process that I will guide you in this video. So you just need to go through this file here. After that you need to open your data folder here. So as you can see here, this is the data folder for your MT4. So I have used MT4, so that's why it is showing here MQL4 here. Okay, so after into that MQL4 folder, you need to go to your experts. Into that experts, I already pasted that robo file here. So that robo is forexrobo.trading.ex4. ex4 is the extension for that file which we are using for our MT4. So after pasting that EA, you need to close that folder, and here once you will refresh it, here it will come forexrobo.trading. Your EA will reflect here. So in whatever the currency pair you need to apply your EA, you just need to open that chart here, as I open that Euro USD chart here, and after that I need just drag and drop here. So once I will click it and drag and drop here, it will show me as here. Okay, in common here, allow live trading, you have to verify that it is already clicked or not. So if it is not checked here, you need to click it, and also allow DLL imports and allow import of external experts. That's also okay, you can check all these things. After that, in inputs, these are the complex settings for the EA that we already preset files for each and every EAs that our experts designs by our strategies. So there are many complex settings that you need to do before installing any EAs, but we are having presets file for all these EAs. So as per this, I'll show you just that how you can use that. Need to click on the load. Already we have preset file for all the settings, so you just need to import that file. Okay, I just imported, then I just need to click on OK. See, here is the EA working. So here you can see one thing, that Forex Robo Trading or EA is running here, and it started placing orders. So as you can see here, in recently just is placed order with Euro USD. It's running in profit here. It is working with SL and TP. Hidden TP is there, and lot size is placed 3. Sell type, it placed order with lot size 3. Why it took lot size 3? Because with 1000 account, we have said that lot size was 0.3. so with 10,000 capital, it will place trade with 3 lots. So as you can see here, we just install this EA, and it is already started trading here, and you can see here that robo is running with very good profit. All these things you can verify. Just recently it placed order. Okay, so it's already running in a profit, so I will cut it down here. Okay, if you wish, you can close it here. Okay, so as we can see here, as I closed just trade, it plays another order. So as you can see here, if there is increase your balance, it will place trades accordingly. It's increase the lot size here. Lot size increase. So likewise we are having many other experts we are having. So this is for beginners guys, that how the EA works and how you can install the EA. If you have any further queries, feel free to share with us on below given video description. You can feel free to share any comments, or you will find contact details there. For more upcoming videos, keep subscribed our YouTube channel. Thank you, thanks for watching.